You're staying, you're gone. Sorry. Wasn't sure about you, but I'm going to tip towards gone. So, gone. One of you two has been rejected. Who do you think it is? Wrong, it's you. You're in, you're rejected. Sorry.
This is proof you don't need hashtag C. Give a like if I'm on your FYP.
Holding you until the sunrise, sleeping until the midnight.
Paper squishies. Show your first paper squishy, your most recent paper squishy, the hardest paper squishy you have, the softest paper squishy you have, the paper squishy that took you the longest to make, the paper squishy that took you the shortest time to make, your least favorite paper squishy, your favorite paper squishy. Now show a paper squishy you want to stop making, but you still did it anyway.
So well, he said cash out Pazelle. Matter of fact, scratch that, I'ma see you a stat just cause you fine as hell. And I told him, well, thank you, baby. Anything for my favorite lady. Well, I gotta go, they just let me know that I could pick up my Mercedes. I got hoes, might just be on me, in different areas.
Tell me, how you gonna do it if you really don't wanna dance? By standing on the wall, get your back up. Well, I heard all the people saying, get down on it, come on and get down on it. If you really want it, get down on it. You gotta feel it, get down on it. You got me lifted, feeling so gifted. Sugar, how you get so fly? Sugar, how you get so fly? Sugar, how you get so fly? I guess I should take it as a sign. I'm feeling lonely. Oh, I wish I found a lover that could hold me. Now I'm crying in my room, so skeptical now. But still I want it more.
He hasn't been decontaminated yet! Jacques! Oui. Clean in! Oui. Ocean! Ouh, la mer! Bon. Voilà, he is clean.
Do you have gum? Yes, I do.
watch me dance, dance the night away. My heart could be burning, but you won't see it on my Run fast for your mother, run fast for your father, run for your children, for your sisters and your brothers. Leave all your loving alone, leave behind. You can't carry it with you if you want to survive.
But if you do, please mention that I'd like to have returned the pretty knife that I stuck 10 times in his back. For I sing songs until the break of dawn.